tell you how to take care of your hair. Now first thing is prologue. Before stepping into the shower, comb your hair lightly with a white tooth comb to untangle knots. This aligns the strands and prevents your getting out of the shower with a lot of knots. Begin at the ends and slowly work your way up. Never try to rip through tangles from top to bottom. You'll end up with a clump of hair on your comb that could have been avoided if only you had had some patience. Now water. The temperature of the water you use while washing your hair should ideally be warmer than your room temperature. It should not be warmer than your room temperature. In fact, the best thing would be to use the lowest temperature you can bear. Too cold for you, null. Well, the hair is not sensitive, so you could at least bend over and give the lower part of your hair a final rinse with cold water. Now why cold water null? Because the cold water helps the hair scales lie down flat, making them strong. On the other hand, warm water opens the hair scales, not only causing more frizz, but also makes the hair sharp, weaker and more vulnerable. In addition, the scalp secretes certain oils that are good for the hair. These oils get dissolved in warm water, causing further dryness. Cold water does not dissolve the natural oils. So make the healthy hair choice and go in for cold water. Now you should take care while shampooing your hair. Start washing your hair at the scalp, because that's where grease accumulates. Gently massage the shampoo into your hair with your fingertips. It's a good idea to dilute the shampoo in a little water in a mug and then massage it on your scalp. This way the shampoo is even gentler on the hair. While applying the shampoo to your locks, leave them hanging down instead of pinning them on the top of your head as though you are posing for a shampoo commercial. Pilling up your hair only leads to more tangles. Let it hang naturally so the leather works its way from the root to the ends. Try not to churn from your hair too much. Work the shampoo gently so the strands don't untangle and result in unbearable knots. If you have long hair, apply shampoo to your scalp. Divide it into sections and massage each section gently with shampoo from the roots to end. Go gentle with rinsing. The best way to wash out shampoo is to keep combing up it with your white tooth comb while rinsing out under the shower. This helps in the detangling process and also helps the shampoo to rinse out better. While you rinse your hair, do not rub it harshly. Hair as it is most fragile state when it is being rinsed. The correct way is to just simply let water run down from your hair. Remember, it's best to rinse under running water. Dunking it in a tub is not so effective as residue may still retain or remain. You have to make sure you have rinsed out all the shampoo. Once you are fairly certain it's all gone, stay under the flow of water for another half minute or so to be doubly sure. Wrap your hair in a soft absorbent towel and voila, and then you are done. Thank you.